In this video, we are going to see how to install Python in Windows using Anaconda and set the environment for LangChain. First, launch Google Chrome browser and search with keyword Anaconda. Download. Download is completed. Launch the installer and complete the installation. Installation is completed. Click Next and finish the installation. After installation, application will be launched. We can see base environment. Now we have to create virtual environment. Let us use Anaconda command prompt for virtual environment creation. Open Anaconda prompt from Windows Search. Next, we create a virtual environment with latest Python code in it. We have to provide confirmation for package installation. After that new virtual environment is created, wait is over. New virtual environment is created successfully. Next, we have to activate the newly created virtual environment. Now install LangChain library in the newly created virtual environment. That's all. Installation is completed. We are good to use LangChain for our projects. We have shortened the video footage for easier viewing, but the installation process may take a bit longer. Please don't worry if it takes some time to install on your system. Thanks for watching. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for new updates.